Finally, fresh air. Ready for coffee?
Yes, let's go. I need caffeine.
What's wrong?
Wait, oh no, I don't have my wallet.
You don't have your wallet?
Yeah, I forgot my wallet in the dorm.
Seriously? You forgot it inside?
Yes, no wallet, no cash, no coffee.
So you're saying no wallet today?
Exactly. No wallet today.
Wanna go back? Today will be a challenge.
A challenge? What's a challenge?
A challenge is something difficult, but we try to do it, like a hard task.
So, a challenge means a hard thing to try.
Yes, that's right. And today is our challenge.
Okay, but how can we survive without cash?
Survive just means keep going, continue. Not die, just live one day with no money.
Ah, okay. So, survive means just continue, not die.
Exactly.
Huh, a day without cash. This is going to be interesting.
Don't worry. I have another way.
Another way? What way?
You'll find out at the coffee shop. Quick quiz. Ashley said, let's see if we can survive without cash. What does survive without cash mean? A. Live one day with no money. B. Eat money. C. Sleep with money. D. Run away from money. The correct answer is A. Live one day with no money.
This is the end. No wallet, no cash, no coffee.
Watch me.
Watch you? You have money?
No, not cash. I'll use points.
Points? What do you mean, points?
Every time you buy coffee here, you collect points. After 10 cups, you get one free.
Oh, so points are like free money from the shop. Oh, so I can say, can I use my points to pay for a coffee?
Perfect. That's the question.
Can I use my points to pay for a coffee?
Great. And when they say yes, you add, I'll have a latte, please.
I'll have a latte, please. Hey, this works.
See? Surviving without cash is possible.
Wait, so survive here means keep going, continue, right?
Yes, we can keep going even without cash.
Nice. Free coffee feels even better.
Not free, remember? It's your points. Invisible money.
Invisible money. I like that.
Quick quiz. In the coffee shop, Ashley used points. What are points? A. Free money from the shop. B. Small stars in the sky. C. A ball game. D. Something you eat. The correct answer is A. Free money from the shop.
I still can't believe it. Coffee without cash.
Don't relax yet. Listen, do you hear that sound?
Music. Oh, street music.
Yes. Look, 2 guitar players, and a man with a drum.
They sound really good. And the kids are dancing too.
Exactly. A free you don't pay, you just enjoy.
So I can say front row seats $0 when something is free.
Perfect.
Front row seats $0. Nice.
And here's another fun phrase. 0 cash, 0 guilt.
0 cash, 0 guilt? What does it mean?
It means no money, no problem. For example, when you try free food samples in the supermarket, 0 cash, 0 guilt.
Oh, so 0 cash, 0 guilt means enjoy for free, no stress.
Exactly.
Coffee, free music, and happy kids dancing. 0 cash, 0 guilt.
Perfect summary. Now, let's see what's next. Quick quiz. Ashley said, 0 cash, 0 guilt. What does this mean? A. Enjoy something for free, no problem. B. Feel bad without money. C. Hide money from friends. Or D. Run away from the shop. The correct answer is A. Enjoy something for free, no problem. That music was fun. Now, let's go to an open house.
Open house? You mean we can just walk in?
Yes, it's free. You only sign your name. No payment.
Do I need to pay?
No, it's free. You just write your name.
So I can say, do I need to pay? And the answer is no, it's free.
Perfect. Now, let's go inside. This is my living room.
This is my living room. Nice.
Now, look at the window. The view is amazing.
Oh, yes. I can see the trees and the garden. So I can say, the view is beautiful.
Exactly.
And this kitchen, it's so big.
Yes. Say, the kitchen is modern and clean.
The kitchen is modern and clean. I like this.
See? Open houses are free lessons for English too.
0 cash, 0 guilt, and a big kitchen.
Quick quiz. What is an open house? A. A free visit to see a house or apartment inside. B. A shop that never closes. C. A hotel with many rooms. D. A garden with no doors. The correct answer is A. A free visit to see a house or apartment inside.
All this walking makes me hungry.
Perfect timing. Let's try McDonald's.
McDonald's? But I still have no cash.
Don't worry. McDonald's has points too.
Points again? How?
Every time you buy food with their app, you collect points. Later, you can use them for a meal.
So I can say, can I use my points for a meal?
Exactly. That's the question.
Can I use my points for a meal?
Perfect. And when they say yes, you add, I'd like a combo, please.
I'd like a combo, please. Easy.
Careful. Points are low. Maybe only a small combo.
Oh, Then I can say, I'd like a small combo, please.
Excellent. You just saved lunch.
No guilt.
Just don't forget your wallet next time. Quick quiz. How can you get points at McDonald's? A. Use the app. B. Wait in line. C. Say points. D. Bring food. The correct answer is A. Use the app. Lunch was a success. Now, let's go to IKEA.
IKEA? But I have no cash.
Don't worry, we are not buying, just looking.
Just looking.
Yes. Say, we can't buy anything. We are just looking.
We can... Window shopping? What does that mean?
It means looking at things but not buying.
Ah, so window shopping equals just looking.
Exactly.
This sofa is comfortable. Can I say, this is my sofa?
Yes, pretend it's yours. Free imagination.
Okay, this is my sofa. 0 cash, 0 guilt.
Good. IKEA is the best for that.
But if I really want to buy something?
Then you need your wallet.
Right, I forgot my wallet. Again.
Exactly. Today, it's all just looking. Quick quiz. What does window shopping mean? A. Just looking, not buying. B. Cleaning windows. C. Buying many things. D. Sleeping in a shop. The correct answer is A. Just looking, not buying.
Finally, the park. What a long day.
Yes, and we did it. A whole day without cash.
True. It was possible.
But was it comfortable?
No, it wasn't comfortable, but it was funny.
We had points coffee, points lunch, free music, an open house, and IKEA window shopping.
Right. Coffee, music, house, food, furniture, all without cash.
So you're saying points saved the day.
Exactly. Points saved the day.
But remember, it wasn't really free.
Right. Invisible money.
Yes, invisible money from the past when you paid before.
Still, it felt like magic today.
0 cash, 0 guilt, at least for one day.
One day was fun, but tomorrow, I want my wallet back.
Good idea. A day without cash was enough.
Lesson learned, always check my pockets before leaving.
Exactly. That's the real challenge.